All right, quick update on the LR4 project. Coming along, we had a little bit of a hiccup with after doing the radiator. So to review, got the new hood on, I got headlights. These are the ones with the adaptive headlights. This is one, this one is not. So I still have the warning light on the instrument cluster. I'm going to just I'm going to uncheck that box that this car has that option using the gap tool. So I did get some new horns. So horns work now. I did replace the radiator. So the outside radiator did not need to be replaced. The supercharger one. The condenser, AC condenser was fine. So the ACs were still working. So obviously with this, had a little, like I said, had a little hiccup that had to do with the thermostat. So replace the thermostat housing. I'll do a video on that and do a little video on the what I learned by doing the radiator. Suspension's all up and running. So I'm just waiting on a bumper I purchased to get shipped here, and I've got the wheel arches to put on. So I've done a little touch-up paint where they had taken off the old wheel arch clips. And we've got a new one of these. Thank you, eBay. So engine's running good. So as soon as I get that bumper and everything put on, I've got a grill from Powerful UK. So that's just waiting to be put on last thing. So as soon as I get that done, I can get the registration done. So the project's looking good. It's coming along pretty good.